Look, okay, we have more data, right? I mean, I have four here. That's
Perfect.
fine, you know. So
Yeah. Yeah.
so yeah, the idea here is to okay. So we have this search right here, right?
Mhm.
And the idea
Yeah.
is to just like first uh, you have to save the search, right? So that is the step one, save search. Why? Because you can remember the parameters that you're using, right? So I am
Mhm.
using save search. So the name of this list is copy of my new search. That is the name that I am putting here, right?
Sorry, Renee. So when you save search, do you have to name the search, or is it um, save the name of the list? That's my uh, confusion as well.
Um, I mean, I have already created a search, right?
Mm.
I am just updating, with these new parameters. So when I click
Okay,
when I click save, I already have a new search, right?
right,
So I can remember the parameters, right?
all right.
In your case, you can create a new search. That is fine, right? You can create a
Mhm.
new search or you can save search.
So is there a list of all my searches, or the one that states on the top left-hand corner of your screen? It states copy of my new search. Is that the name of a list,
Yeah, I
or is it a
mean,
name?
I can show you an example. For example, if I come here and I delete these parameters, and I delete these parameters here, let me just do that,
Hmm.
and I delete these ones, delete also these ones here,
Yeah.
and I want to recover all the parameters, I just have to I just have to click here, right? I just click here and I click here, and this will recover all the parameters. So for
I
example,
see. I
right?
see.
So for
Wow.
example, maybe let me just room location. Yeah, I mean, let me just recover all the parameters that I have here. I will put again here, right? And I click here. So it will put location automatically. Look, if I click
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? I mean, it put
Yeah.
location and job titles, right?
I understand.
Yeah.
So, in order to name this, sorry, in order to save a search, you need to have a list first, correct? So
No, I
is
mean
that correct?
no. I mean you need to have a search. So
I
search
see.
is not the same as a list.
Got it. So what I see at the top left-hand corner is actually names of search saved searches.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right. And how do you have a page of the names of the saved search? How do you get there? So I can change the names and update
You
them
can
and
change the
stuff.
name. You can change the name. You can update the name. You can do whatever you want here. Let me just show you. So you can create a new search, or you can
I
also
see.
update the name. If you click here, you can click edit, and you can
Ah,
uh, you can change the name. You can
okay.
duplicate,
Got it. Got it. All right. Let's
right?
move on. I understand
Right.
now.
So
Thank you.
that is a step one, and it's very important because if you don't do this, you can forget the parameters, right?
Yeah, yeah. I have to save elsewhere on the notepad everything.
Yeah, no. Use this save search. I mean, I
Yeah.
recommend that. It's better and it's within the system. So always do
Yeah.
that. That's step one. Save a search.
Mhm.
So step two is you have to sort by name,
Name.
right?
So
Descending.
what's the reason for this?
Because if you use relevance, there are duplicates, right? So if you use the relevance sorting, for some
Hmm.
reason Apollo is giving duplicates,
Oh,
and
you see. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and you will have duplicates in your output, right? So always use sorting by name, right? So in this case, you have less than 200, 500, right? Uh,
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry, 2000, 2500, sorry,
yeah.
2500. So you can use the Apollo scraper, and you can put, in theory, 100 pages, right? Just to cover the entire list, or the entire search. So sorry,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But in this case, I mean, I want just to do like a quick example, right? So maybe we can do like 10 pages, right?
Mhm.
Just to be, in the same page. If I put 10 pages, um, I will have here around 130 emails, right? So around the 50%. Did, did you get why I am getting that amount? Let me just do the.
Um, it's because you're guessing the emails, correct?
Yeah,
The email types, email
exactly.
format.
Exactly. I am guessing the emails, but let me just. And even the calculator is taking time.
Yeah.
uh,
So why don't you try a smaller number then? Maybe 3 pages.
no, no,
Give
10
it a help.
pages is fine. I think we can do 10
Okay.
pages. Let me just bring the calculator before we run this. Um, so it's 10 times 25, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Divided by 2. That's more or less, one,
Correct.
right? So I expect more than that. Let's do it. I will just put again 10 pages. So
And that's another algorithm that you use that can get 70%. I in your scraper, right?
yeah, like, to be honest, like, like I think like once in a month, I do changes, right, to the scraper. So like trying to do it better every time.
Hmm.
um for example, right now I added this, like this message that
Yeah.
mention if you have the recent version. In case you
Yeah.
have another version, in case I publish another version, you will receive a notification here that says, hey, uh, please
Mm.
update, right, to the new one.
Like two middle names or something.
Yeah, so
Does
I,
everyone
I
the
am
same?
working on that. I mean, to be
Yeah.
honest,
Yeah.
I have like another algorithm for that. I just want to implement that because, for me it's easier, right, to extract data using that. But
Yeah.
right now I recommend only using the smart permute to get the data.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. And then there's the other one, which is you get the data without the emails, right? But you get all the other data, like the name, the company, and
Yeah,
everything.
exactly.
What's that for? What's that for actually?
Well, that one is in case you need to, for example, use, for example, another, like an enrichment service, right?
Okay.
For example, and I can show you this later maybe. I have an enrichment service where you submit, name, first name, last name, and the and
Domain.
and the website, right? The domain, and you
Yeah.
get
Yeah. Yeah.
the email, right? So that's another way to do it. That's an
Mm-hmm.
alternative way to do it,
Yeah.
and it is valid, right? So here you can see I just download the data, right? So it's this one,
Correct. Yeah.
right? So we just come here to import, click CSV.
And it's only emails, right?
It is only emails. Yeah, like for fonts, to be honest, I am doing research, Right now,
Hmm.
my focus right now is to just improve emails, and that's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it takes time,
Okay.
right? Takes time
Yes.
to just improve. Uh, so yeah, like so it's this one. This is the new one. Yep, I think it's this one. Yep. So yeah, I think let me just put here your name, Ryan. Ryan import, right? So like right now, I am just importing the data.
Yeah.
I can go here, just to see the status. This, is usually fast, but
Yeah.
sometimes. Okay, so yeah, so we have the data here, right? So it's ready, basically. So this is
Yeah.
ready. Now, what I do is basically I click here. I mean, or you can go back. It's the same, but I will click here just to the same. You have to go to the people search. So this one, right? People
Yeah.
search, right? Perfect. Now I will have to just remove, this selection because this is selected. That is the way it works. Just let me just remove this. So we have like an empty. We have an empty search. So now you have to remember the parameters, right? So I will just click again here. The save search. This one,
Yeah.
just to
Yes.
remember parameters. Perfect. Now you have to select the list, right? So you go to lists,
Hmm.
you select the list, right? Ryan, that is the one,
Yeah.
right? You will see 0 right now. Okay,
Hmm.
that's fine. Now you have to put user manage, right? Sorry, yeah, user manage right here,
I see. I see. Wow.
right?
It's
So
not
you
as.
so you put user manage, right? And basically you got this number for free, right? So if I remove the list, right? I will remove Ryan right now. I will remove Ryan. Okay, so okay, it's thinking. Got it. Okay, so you can see now we have this amount, right? 209
Yeah.
uh, users. In the past, we had four, if you remember. I think it was four at the beginning,
Correct.
right? And
Yeah.
we have the same parameters. The same parameters. Um, always use job titles because that's
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
important. Just to delimit, and also if you have the job title uh, that is good. So now you
Hmm.
can just export this data. You just select all, apply. Also, this takes time.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
as I say, it's a pain in the neck. But okay, it's loading. Okay, so now you just click export, right? Export all emails, right? Export all emails. Export
Mhm.
records, right? So the thing is that you have to do this in batches, right? So
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
do it in batches so you can be more confident of the results, because there are other persons that they do like 1 million, like
Yeah.
one time, and I say you are not scraping the entire data. I mean, that's the reality. So yeah, if you want to download, you just go to the view history here.
Mhm.
um, just you wait to see the results.
So if it's user managed, then You don't need to use credits, right?
Yeah,
Because
you don't need credits for that.
I see. So
Yeah.
you found a workaround for it.